Hi Patrick, thanks very much for the question. I've got good news and bad news. As you can tell from the background, I'm away on holiday, but I'm still working because I'm actually in my camper van and that's up behind me somewhere over there. But at the moment I'm down by the river and I'm just on my mobile phone going through the emails. Right, E53 error code with your Zanussi ZWG3162. Actually Zanussi displaying at the IFA trade show in Berlin, so I will be visiting their stand. But they are very good at supplying engineers like myself technical information on helping with appliances. So in the description below you will find a link to a page that I've created for you, and this has the workshop manual, wiring diagram, and I also got some diagrams of the circuit board circuitry as well, which may be able to help you. Anyway, E53 error code is to do with the link switch normally if it's a circuit board problem. This is the output side that goes to the motor. Now, if you have got E53 error code and the link switch is damaged, you're going to need a very good magnifying glass because they are really minute items. There's 5 solder connections, I believe, on there, 3 legs on one side, 2 on the other. And it might also have blown a resistor or sometimes a diode as well. So you're going to have a very close look at the circuit board to find out what the problem is. The other way of going around this fault is if you're unable to repair the circuit board, although the circuit boards can be very expensive, if you can find the circuit board genuine part number, you might be able to then find out which other machines that circuit board fitted, and you might actually be able to get hold of another machine with a different fault and purchase that machine as cheaply as £20–30 and then use the circuit board from that machine to replace the one in your machine. Anyway, that's all I can do for you while I'm on holiday. Feel free to use the contact us page or send me any pictures of the circuit board if you need any further assistance. But I'm going to enjoy this afternoon's walk and try and get through as many of these questions as I can with some nice backgrounds for you to look at while trying to repair your machine. I've also added an additional bit to the end of this video to show you how to use the web page, because not only is there all the technical information that I've put on the page for you, I've also put a load of videos to do with Zanussi machines that may assist you on other repairs in the future. Have a good day, mate. I have created you an FAQ page specifically with all the wiring diagrams, workshop manual that includes error codes, diagnostic procedure, and explaining every component, but there's also videos on the page to assist you. If you or anyone else needs help, fill out the contact us form on the website. Make sure you give us your full model number and serial number, but most importantly, make sure you leave us a detailed description of the fault. Better still, why don't you upload a video to YouTube, send me the link, I'll be able to have a look at the problem and then be able to help you better. Making this page for you took me a while, so please remember to support the website by giving us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel and subscribing, and also sharing the channel to your friends and family. Please remember to support the website by buying the parts off us, and if we really helped you, you can always donate to the website by clicking on the Buy Paul a Beer page. Thanks very much indeed for watching.